Welcome back to our series on how to answer interview questions for the web developer position. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial question you might encounter. What is your approach to writing clean and maintainable code? We'll provide you with a sample answer and dive deep into what the interviewer is hoping to learn from asking this question. So let's get started. What is your approach to writing clean and maintainable code? Interviewers want to know if you prioritize the readability and organization of code. They want to see if you use clean naming conventions, formatting, and comments to make your code easy to understand and modify. Giving an example of a specific feature you implemented with these principles will show your experience and abilities. Let me share an excellent answer with you. To ensure that my code is clean and maintainable, I prioritize using best coding practices such as consistent indentation, proper naming conventions, and modularization of code. This helps to increase the readability of my code base and makes it easier for others to modify or extend it if necessary. I also make sure that I regularly refactor code to eliminate redundancy and duplication, which improves its maintainability. Commenting code is also essential to make it more understandable and transparent. I make a habit of adding comments wherever necessary to provide context and make it easier for other developers to understand my thought process. In addition, I use appropriate design patterns to keep things modularized and structured. For instance, I tend to make use of the Model View Controller (MVC) architecture for web applications to separate concerns and make code easier to read and modify. Another important aspect of writing maintainable code is testing. I always write unit tests to ensure that my code performs as expected, and I also make sure to take the time to test edge cases. This way, I can be confident that my code is robust, reliable, and can easily be maintained in the long term. Lastly, I stay up to date with the latest developments and best practices in coding, which helps me to write code that is future-proofed and can easily be updated as new technologies emerge. Overall, my approach to writing clean and maintainable code is to prioritize readability, consistency, and modularity, while also incorporating testing and staying up to date with best practices. That's a wrap. I hope you found that example answer helpful. Remember, writing clean and maintainable code takes practice and patience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our playlist for more career tips. Leave your feedback in the comments below. And did you know we have hundreds of tips to help you land your dream job faster at beconfident.io? Keep pushing yourself and you'll get there.